a growth culture to believe. It's not an all or none culture. It's how can we level up from level 1 to level 2, level 2 to level 3, instead of level 1 to 100. It's a huge jump. But if you can take a step-by-step approach, and sometimes when you climb the stairs, you may slip down 2 steps down. Keep in mind, don't look forward and see how far you are away, but look back and see how much steps you have climbed forward along this journey. The journey itself is not a straight line. The journey itself is a sine wave. But how could you enjoy the journey? It really depends on us. Do we listen to the client? Do we respond to each client differently? Because every one of us have different values, different past experience, different biases, and different norms they have in their life. So let us not be judgmental straight away to the person who passed the door over there. Be there, be present, because you never know. By doing that, you open up a new journey for them. You open up new possibility for all.